Here we have our associated source code for our Android application. Here are the different local variables associated with each of the methods that we're going to use. This is a text view, which is going to be used in order to display the values of the rotation vector. The sensor objects are going to be used in terms of listening to each different types of events. These numbers are here to help us determine the threshold for the different orientations. These local variables are here to help us assign the orientation sounds for each different orientation. This method is here to help us play the actual sound depending on the orientation. The update UI here is supposed to help us actually look and see what kind of input is coming into the program in terms of the rotation vector. This is where we establish each of the different values for the different component of the vector. And here we are establishing actually the instances of or setting the values of each of the different vectors, the x, y, and z vector in terms of the text view. Here we are getting the instance of the sensor manager, as well as creating a new media player and establishing the different sounds that are with each of the different orientations, such as cow, goat, duck, rooster. Here we have the actual sensor event method. This is the sensor change method. This is the most important event. Here we have establishing the different values from the event values array. These are the different thresholds for each of the different orientations that we established. We got these by testing the actual app through these and looking at the actual values that were returned, and then we update the UI and play the audio. When none of those conditional statements are satisfied, we just update the UI to at rest because it does not have any orientation at the time. And then here we have just the associated override method that are associated to the activity class.